Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Elmo na naman nga pala nagbabalik. Yo, what up mga kapatid? It's a Thursday afternoon and we're on the way to work. The weather shit guys, look, so cloudy. It's raining before, it just stopped. Buti na lang. Maulan guys hanggang I think Monday. Ano sabi sa weather, pero sana hindi magbago yung weather na kasi it's my day off on Sunday and Monday. And we're planning to do barbecue on Sunday, so sana hindi umulan. Cloudy man, basang-basa pa yung daan. But I got umbrella here, so it's okay. Yeah, let's go. I'm selling sunglasses guys. I'm gonna be the model. I keep this, yes. This one I'm selling for how much? 5 pounds? We have one here for a girl. This one I can give it for 1 pound. Oh, there's more. And then I have this H&M one. This is good. I can sell this for 3 pounds, huh? Just comment mine. Then we gonna deliver it for your house, door to door. This for the girl. This 1 pound. Oh, thank you. And this one, there's no brand.
I'm gonna work like this.
Quite nice for the guys. What was for the girls? This is 1 pound 50. This one is like a tiger design. It looks good. I give it for 1 pound. Special price for me. This one Ray-Ban. Oh, this. It looks cold. It looks bright. This we sell it for 2 pound, 1 pound 50.
I know this face.
This looks hot. Try this. You like you're in the beach. This bag 2 pounds. You can make money. This Elton John glasses.
To destroy?
Yeah. I think we need to destroy this one first.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Leave it here, but we're going to destroy it. Before we throw it. And the platine is going.
Yeah. Oh, this one's for you. Ah. For you. It's strong.
Yeah, but I'm not that strong.
No,
No, this one is too This one is too strong.
Down the bin is it's broken before. Oh, this for you.
I can see it's too stronger.
Oh, this one, yeah. This one, I think.
Oh my god.
I think this one is.
I think this one is for girls.
Give it to Dino. This one is for you.
How can you?
Yeah, this is not strong.
I had one.
One.
Really? Online?
Here.
You know it's on?
Then we have. Tell me about this.
Eh.
How can you be so blind?
Which one did you take?
None.
You don't want it.
No.
I kept this too.
Andrew,
Yeah. Oh.
nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Hi, Carl.
Okay. Oh, wait, Carla. Hello, Yasmin.
Hello.
Not used to it.
Mine's too short. Guys, break time. That's it. Ooh, I got fish today. Yo, pauwi na tayo guys. Hindi nga lang ako. Inabol ko yung bus ko. 2 minutes na lang. Sana abutan ko. Otherwise I need to wait for 21 minutes more. Let's see. Kung natin kumabol ko siya. Check ko lang. Wait, where was it? Dili. It doesn't show anymore. I think it's here. Wait. Wala pa siguro. Or nalampasan na ako. Oh no, 0 minutes. It's coming. Hiningal ako. Whew. We're not that busy today guys. And tomorrow as well, we don't have bookings. Whew. So tomorrow is gonna be quiet. The bus should be coming now. Hiningal ako. Hindi ganun malamig. Ewan ko lang. Siguro kasi tumakbo ako. Where's the bus, man? Oh, siya. Yeah, let's go. I got the ball. We're here, guys. It's so puggy today. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Medyo malabo. Pagi siya man. Hindi pala kita sa camera. Buti hindi umulan. Ano ang pago? Di pa rin kita. Walang tao ngayon dito guys. Kasi nga basa. Umulan kanina eh. 1:05 AM. bukas na lang ulit. Hindi ko alam kung pwede na itong vlog ko ito i-upload, pero kung pwede na bukas na lang ulit, or pag hindi, itutuloy ko to. Wala, di rin naman kami busy bukas. We got 0 bookings from the restaurant, 0 bookings in the restaurant and 0 bookings in the bar. Yeah. Patay sindi yung ilaw man.